So hi everyone, the live image of the Google Pixel 6a retail box has been leaked online, but before that, the Pixel 6a is largely expected to be announced during Google's I/O conference in May. The phone will of course be the company's second entry in its expensive smartphone series, following the 5a, which was released last year. The image of the Pixel 6a retail packaging was uploaded by Techxine, a new tech-centric site. The box looks similar to the Pixel 6X with Google logo in the top center and the device pictured directly below it. In comparison to the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, the Google Pixel 6a appears to have a tiny and thin camera module. The Pixel 6a has a dual camera configuration and an LED flash, as shown in the image. It's black and does not have a dual tone finish. Both the top and bottom are the same color. In terms of the phone's debut date, which will be internationally released in the month of May, there is no official information available regarding the precise date of the smartphone's release. According to the report, the smartphone will include a Tensor-powered processor, and the name of the chipset is Tensor GS101, which the company has also offered with its already released Pixel 6 smartphone. The Pixel A series has always been a mid-range phone, so it will be good to see Google use the newest Tensor CPU in the Pixel A series, similar to what Apple did with the SE series. In terms of other features, the Pixel 6a will have a large screen of only 6.2 inches with an OLED display, although it will be somewhat smaller than its predecessor, the Pixel 5a. The smartphone's appearance also indicates that it will be very identical to that of the Pixel 6. According to some rumors, the smartphone camera will be the same as the Pixel 6, although others claim that the Pixel 6a will use the IMX363 processor seen in all previous Pixel A models. That may reduce its chances of being the greatest cheap phone in 2022, given that the Tensor will be a little out of date by then. After all, I'm on the iPhone SE3, which is powered by Apple's top CPU, is filing to find consumer, albeit this might be due to its outdated design. However, we do need to warn all this with the warning that this could be a Pixel 6 box that's been made to look like a Pixel 6a box with the photo editing. Not only is the barcode blurred out so we cannot check the serial number, but the back of the phone in the lead photo is rather glossy, suggesting it's made of glass like that of the Pixel 6 rather than the plastic back Pixel A series phones have used since their foundation. Nevertheless, while divisive, the design of the Pixel 6 certainly different, so seeing it carried over to the Pixel 6a would be no bad thing. So what are your thoughts on Pixel 6a? Are you looking forward to experiencing the new Android 12 with the new Pixel Touch? Let me know in the comment section below. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. You will take care of yourself. Bye bye.